Okay, folks, welcome back for the practice session. Let's see how far we get. I'm gonna start off with the all 7 set. I'm gonna do 6 3 1 4 with side toss, bang hard at it. Okay, so that gives me 8 6 2. All right, so we got 8. Let's see if we can lock that number down. We're gonna go for the 3V set. 3 6 3 2 8 4 4. Okay, in and out. A little too much power because the dice kicked all the way back there, but it's an 8. We'll take it. Okay, let's do the hard way set. Eight. Okay. Points 8 3 5. Alright, that tells me one of my dice double pitch. Because I used a 5 4 5 4 set and one of the dice gave me a 3, so I double pitch. So let's not do a double set. We're gonna go back to the 3V. We're gonna do 3 6 3 2. Hopefully get an 8 again. 8 6 2. All right, in and out. Remember, every time you put in the hours to train, the better you become when you train correctly. Okay, but you gotta put in the time. It's a little wrinkle here in my table. I've been stretching it too much. I gotta reset my fabric. Okay, we're gonna use the 3 6. I mean 6 3 3 6 set. The buns are off, so 7. All right, we'll count that. The buns are off. Okay, still good. Still on roll. Okay, that gives us a 7. Let's see if we can call a 7 out. We're gonna use the 5 4 5 3. See if we can call the 7 out. Keep the button off. 5 4 1. The point is 5. Okay. All right. See if we can make that 5. I got the 5 and the inside number. Seven out. So that is, did the 8 okay, but we scrapped out. It's 2 4 6. Not bad. Consistent at target, but not great either. We'll end this here and we'll reset it.